Hi guys, it's Tuesday. I got off work a little bit early today, so I thought I'd pop down here just to do a few little tidying up jobs on the floor pan. Run VT, Errol. Right, so today's little job is to just grind down all the welds that I've done in the floor pan here and make it look nice and neat. There we have it. So I've tidied up and I've addressed just with some acid etch primer in there just to give it something to attach to, and then I can seam seal round where the welds are. And the only bit I've got to do now is I've got to weld that front panel and start to weld up there. So, but yeah, I'll just put a bit of just a little slither of filler in there just to smooth that panel over, so you can't see where I've welded it to the car. And I'm just doing that one there as well, just putting a little bit in there. It's more stopper than anything, just to smooth it off where it's just got a few little bumps. So, as they say in show business, that's a wrap. Stay safe, everybody, and I'll try and catch you towards the end of the week.